So we have to compare manual data processing and mechanical data processing, as I said before, because these two has a significant difference. That's why we have to talk about it. So in mechanical data processing, okay, now in manual data processing, if someone is using pen and papers and they write down everything, and they need to they are going to process the data to make some information. But the problem is there are some possibilities to make mistakes. Human errors can happen. Normally, when human works continuously, they get tired, so they make more errors. Yeah. So let's write those 2 points. Human errors and human can't continuously work. But computers can.
So
No
mechanical is
human. Yeah, mechanical data processing is like. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Mechanical. Sorry. So mechanical data processing is like very similar to pen and papers, like but using mechanical devices. We have to compare electronic data processing. Electronic data processing with manual data processing. So there are very minor changes between manual data processing and mechanical data processing. It's just like manual, but apart from pen and papers, there are few devices that we can use it mechanically. So there's no much difference between manual and mechanical because still human is mainly involved in data processing. So the significant difference is between manual data processing and electronic data processing. Sorry, previously I repeatedly said mechanical, right? It should be electronic data processing. So in electronic data processing, no human errors. And can work continuously. Human takes more time to process. Takes more time. Very efficient. And what else?
Quality work.
Yeah, quality. Exactly. The quality is depend. So depend on the person to person. But in electronic data processing, the quality is not dependent. So the quality will be equally, it will be high equally until on every data process. And number of data can be processed is limited. But here can process unlimited data. Can process unlimited data. So less flexible and hard to present in dynamic way. I'll explain this, don't worry.
Okay.
Flexible and dynamic. So this point means now once a human process a set of data, let's say in previously, principal creates. So that's all that he can do, like create a graph. So if he wants to get number of V's, now he created the graph for number of A's. Now if he wants to get a number of V, he has to do from top to bottom again. But when we're using computers, we can just change one parameter and get the same graph that we have been created for number of A's. We can get the same thing for number of B's in a second. So that's why it's flexible. And if we want to get a pie chart, not a, now previously I draw a line chart. If you want to get a pie chart, can we do it manually? Yes, we can. But
It'll
we
take
have
time.
to, yeah, definitely. We have to process the data top to bottom again. But in computers, we can change few parameters and convert the line graph to a pie chart. So that's why it flexible and dynamic. Okay. Likewise, there are so many difference between these two. We can list down so many things, but let's stop at this point because these are the main things. Now you can write down this.
Okay.
Manual data processing versus electronic data processing.